Hello there once again. Welcome back to Safat and Saifa's channel. Today we have the Jurassic World Hammond Collection Atrociraptor Ghost. We have its variants here. This one's from Epic Evolution. It came with Darius, I believe. This just came out a year ago. Okay, it's just a crouching Atrociraptor. Here's the DNA scan. Whoops, where's the... There you go. Okay, and this one came out like 2 or 3 years ago with the Dominion timeline. It came with a human also. I think it came with it with Sonaya, something like this. One of the main villains in the movie. And it came with a cage. I didn't know which accessory it came with. I don't remember anymore. But this one, as far as I remember, it came with this too and the cage. Alright guys. Okay, so let's go to our main one now. This guy. Another new Hammond collection for this year. So we already have all of these. This will be probably, I don't know, could be the next Hammond collection review. Okay, nice eyes there, Marvel eye. All right, let's open it up. Let's check it out. All right, guys. While I'm opening this, I like to say, do not forget to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet for more great content. Let's open it up. All right, let's check it out first. Atrociraptor Ghost and his pack chase Owen Grady, Claire Deering, and Kayla Watts through the crowded streets of Malta. Trained to attack on command, the Atrociraptors are unrelenting as they put their speed to ultimate tests. Nice. Oh, sweet. Oh, leave the background there. Let's take out the tail. So from what I heard, this one came out like a year, like last December, from like a Ross store. So I tried hunting, but I couldn't find one. It came with a baby Triceratops for even like a cheaper price. But sadly, I couldn't find one, so I just have to wait at Target. All right, it's a ball joint right there. Let's put it in. Uh-oh. This is what I hate about these things. I just think I have to use my... There! It worked. Heard the snap? You guys heard that? So it is a lighter brown on the leg, but on the back it seems like very dark. See that? The feet looks kind of dark. But here the brown seems to be super light. I don't know. Okay, anyways, let's check. Alright, that's not bad. Okay, that's not bad. I think there's a little something wrong with the eye right there. Oh, it's not bad though. Alright, let's compare to its variants. Okay, tail's made of rubber. You can move it anywhere you like. Okay, there you go. See, totally different. Ghost looks different here. The paint job looks different. The leg, the back is totally different as well. Look at that. Their face paint, the neck paint, even this guy is different. It's way lighter. Let's compare the two. See, totally different. I don't know why Mattel changed it. Yeah. So again, they totally forgot to color the dew claw right there. It's really tiny, so maybe it's like, oh, screw it, no one's gonna notice it. But yeah, we still notice it, Mattel. So there, they didn't paint it. All right, at least they did it good here. It's a nice toy, nice collector. But as you can see, this one looks different again compared to the others. It might look the same here, but over here it is like gray instead of brown. Just this one. Or maybe that's how it is. Oh yeah, okay. So there's gray over there, gray again, then brown. Okay. Alright, so that's how far it goes. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Alright guys. Alright, so next video we're gonna do the Wyangosaurus from Chaos Theory. It's a brand new species from Mattel. So it's gonna be super cool. So yep, there you have it for today guys. All our Atrociraptors Ghosts. Okay, there's 3 ghosts now, or unless I miss one. If I didn't. Alright, cool. Till next time again, you guys have a good one now. Take good care, and thank you once again.